how to share your profile link in Discord using iOS or iPhone. So it has same method like Android. So I will show you it in Android. You guys can do it in iPhone. Everything is same. So first of all, you need to open Discord app in your iPhone. After that, you will go to your profile. You will see your profile pic on top right corner down below. Now here you will see your friends, member, note. Also on top right corner you will see Nitro and setting options. So simply click on setting option. Here scroll, you will see advanced. So simply click on advanced. After that you will see developer mode. So if it was off, simply on it. So I will on it. After that, deck. Here you will simply go to again your profile. Now you will simply click on your friends. After that, open any chat of your friend. Here you will simply click on your profile pic. Now you will see on top right corner 3 dots. Simply click on that. After that, you will see copy username apps, copy user ID. So simply copy user ID. After that, in your iPhone or iOS, open ChatGPT or any AI app that is advanced. You can even use Meta, but I would use ChatGPT. So simply open ChatGPT. Here you will simply paste your Discord user ID and tell ChatGPT user ID of Discord. Convert it to link. After that, ChatGPT will convert that to you link. Here we go. So simply you can copy that link or send to your anyone, your friend, or anyone you want to share, and they will get redirected to your Discord. Thanks for watching.